Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Robux with Microsoft Rewards. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you want to get free Robux using Microsoft Rewards, I'm going to show you exactly how. Although this may seem like a scam, don't worry, it's not. It's just hard to get. So firstly, just search Microsoft Rewards and then you can see all these different links, but you're just going to want to go to the top one and just press it. And then when you press the link, you're going to want to log in. If you don't have a login, just sign up. I'm going to sign in, and as you can see, get brought to this page. I already have some available points because I've done this before, and as you can see, earn an exclusive Roblox item, meaning that this website is with Roblox, so they're partnered together. So basically, when you go to the rewards and search it up, what you can see is Roblox digital card, and I've got a video on how to get loads and loads of points. You can get there if you do really well. You can get around thousands, 2,000 Robux every month if you want, but it's going to take a lot of quite effort and quite a lot of quizzes and a bunch of things that you need to do. So as you can see, when I press that, first thing I get 10 points, and then if I press the other one, you get 10 more points, and there's many different ways. So if you just keep wanting to do different quizzes and things, they don't take long at all and it's easy. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.